Hey guys, for today's video we are going to be doing Dutch braid boxer braids. They're going to be nice and tight and smooth and frizz-free. I thought I had a video like this on my channel already and I don't, so we're going to do it today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you are going to need a couple things for this video. First up, we need to part our hair, so we're going to use this fine rat tail comb. So it has this nice little point, which makes it really easy, well, kind of easy, to part your hair. Then get yourself a brush, a spray bottle full of water, a clip, and then a gel of your choice. Now, I usually have my husband help me part my hair because I have a big cowlick and it's just a pain in the butt parting my hair. So if I have to part my hair in the back, I usually have my husband, but he's not here right now, so I gotta do it myself. Oh no. Well, you see what I mean? My cowlick up here. So here is the front and here is the back. All right, so I went ahead and did one side already so you can see what it looks like. So I just took my spray bottle and I got my hair wet. I find it's a lot easier to do a Dutch braid when your hair is a little bit damp, and I don't want it like sopping wet, but I don't want it to be dry. Next, I'm gonna take my Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel by IGK. I like this because it doesn't make your hair sticky. It smooths everything down and just gives you nice like beachy waves. So I'm just gonna put that all throughout. Then I'm just gonna brush everything out. So I'm gonna be doing my braid like this with my hands at my side. You can definitely do your hands up at the top and then braid back. If you do yours at the side, you're gonna see it more so from the side than the back. So it's just kind of personal preference which way you like better. We are gonna take a small section up at the top of our head, like this, about, I don't know, maybe a ½ inch. Maybe less than that, and we're going to divide it into 3 small sections, 3 equal sections. So when I am doing my braiding, I like to hold 2 in one hand, 1 in the other. I'm going to take my front section and I'm just going to cross it under the middle. I'm going to take my back section, I'm going to cross it under the middle. Make sure when you are crossing them that you're crossing them tight. Now I'm going to pick up a small section right underneath that front section and I'm going to add it in. So you can see I just combine them. I'm going to kind of smooth them out. Take that combined section, cross it under that middle section. Now I'm going to pick up a section up top, just a small section, and I'm going to add it into that back section, just combine them. Smooth them out, take them, cross them under that middle section. Make sure you're tying it tight. And this is just what we keep doing. So I'm going to pick up a small section right next to that front section, and I'm going to add it in and just combine it. Take that front section, cross it under the middle. And we want to kind of be angling our braid going back. We don't want to go just straight down. Again, with that back section, we're going to pick up a small section right next to it, and we're just going to combine the 2. Take it, cross it under that middle section. Now the hardest part is going to be starting the braid. Once you get towards like the middle of the braid, it's going to be so much easier. Starting a braid is always the hardest for any kind of braid. So again, take a small section, add it into the front. Take that, cross it under the middle. Add in a small section to the back, combine it, cross it under the middle. Add in a small section towards the front, combine it, cross it under that middle. So we're going to keep going back, add in a small section to the back, combine it, cross it under the middle. Add in a small section to the front, combine it, cross it under that middle. Add in a small section to the back, combine it, cross it under the middle. So again, add in hair to the front, take it, cross it under the middle. Now I'm going to start going down, add in hair to the back, cross it under. Hair to the front, combine it, cross it under. And we just keep doing this. I try to make sure I add in all my hair by the time I reach the bottom of my ear. If you go past the bottom of your ear, it's gonna get like droopy and hangy. So always try to make sure you have everything added in by the time you reach the bottom. And all of our hair is added in. So now we are just doing a regular 3-strand braid, crossing the outside sections under that middle section. And you just do this all the way down. So I just tie it with a hair elastic. And here we go. Here are our beautiful Dutch braid boxer braids. They are nice and tight. They are not going anywhere. So when you wake up in the morning, you are gonna have gorgeous mermaid waves if you choose to take them out. When I do Dutch braids like this, I tend to wear them for at least a day or two until they get like really frizzy. And then I'll take them out and rock those beautiful curls, but your curls will end up looking something like this. I usually go in with like a small 1/2-inch wand and just kind of touch up some pieces to give me, you know, that even curl look all the way around my head. I'm gonna show you guys what these look like up close. Okay, this saddens me to do because I just worked so hard on these. But now I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I braid at the top and I go back. You see, my hair is already a little bit curly and it's only been sitting in these braids for like maybe 10 minutes. You do the exact same steps, but you are angling your braid different. So instead of having my hands down at the side, now I'm gonna have my arms up over my head. So I go ahead and I just brush all of my hair going back. I'm just gonna take 3 sections, just like before, and do the exact same thing. So cross your outside section under the middle, outside section under the middle. Now, same thing, add in a small section to the top, smooth it out, cross it under that middle section. Add in a small section to the bottom, smooth it out, cross it underneath that middle section. Add in a small section to the top, smooth it out, cross them both under that middle section. And you can see we're just going straight back. So I'm just adding in hair to the bottom, smoothing it, crossing it under the middle. Adding in hair to the top, smoothing it, crossing it under the middle. We're just gonna keep doing this. So adding in hair to the bottom, combining it, crossing it under the middle. Tying it tight, adding in hair to the top, smoothing it, crossing it under that middle section, tying it tight. Adding in hair to the bottom, smoothing it, crossing it under that middle section. Now, when you are doing your arms up over your head like this, they're gonna get tired, so you're gonna have to put them down and take a couple breaks. But just keep chucking along. Adding in hair, crossing it under. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so you guys can see what I'm doing in the back. Taking a small section, adding it into that front, combining it, crossing it under the middle. Adding in hair to the back section, combining it, crossing it under the middle. So you just keep repeating the same steps all the way down. Make sure all of your hair is added in by the time you reach the bottom of your neck. All right, my arms are tired. So I'm just bringing it around to the front and I'm just finishing off the braid. See this braid? It kind of goes up and then down to the side. And then we have this braid that shoots straight back, goes towards the back, and then down. So you can see this from the back. This one you cannot see anything from the back, you just see it from the side. So here's the front. The side. And then here is this side. Okay, I went ahead and braided both sides just so they could be even, otherwise it was gonna drive me nuts. So here's what we got going on. This is like the final product. Yeah, let me know which one you like better. Do you like these where they go back, or do you like the ones on the side? I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know what other kind of videos you would like to see this year, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye!